conversation. So it will be beneficial to you or anyone who can see later on. Yeah, just do that.
Yeah, I haven't run any program
That's
yet.
I know you are not.
Yeah, I just started, and
I know
something error was going on, so
that's all fine.
I
I'm
just
not
know
even
the
asking you to
process.
run.
I
Yeah,
have
I
learned
know.
some
I'm not
sort of
even asking
process.
you to
Yeah,
run. Just open
yeah,
any notepad or notepad plus plus anything.
sure.
Just try to explain the code to me. I know it's not easy, but just try. You need to try
Okay.
somewhere. Share your screen and just try.
All right. Okay.
Because it will help in the interviews. Also, it will help in your job. Because many people I'm seeing, they're just getting kicked out from the job so fast.
Mm-hmm.
Sayed told me.
Just a minute. I have made some notes over here.
Yeah, go ahead. See, there is nothing perfect. I want attempt. Once you keep
Okay.
attempting, improve.
Sure, I'll try it.
Give you information the Google Doc, you just type. No, that will not help you guys. Not only you, others also. Yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
So basically, what project you
Explain.
told me to do, told us to do, to create REST APIs
No, we'll see that.
implemented in
First,
Java.
we'll do this.
What?
You share your screen.
Okay.
You take any Java code, for example, adding two numbers, Fibonacci series, anything from online, then you can explain. Or if you think you have some REST API code ready with you, don't even run it. Just open the screen, explain to me what you understood from the program. Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Just a minute.
Fine.
Okay. Where is it? Okay, I've just seen this, what you have said, REST APIs using Spring Boot. I just want to tell you that about. First thing I did was use the Spring initializer to create a project, basically. So, okay, I have to write a code, you said. Just a minute. Yeah, in that case, I did learn there for REST controller, how to add controller. Yeah,
you can just copy the code.
But
You
in
don't
this
even
case,
need
when
to
I
type.
was
You can just
writing
copy
this,
if you want. Yeah, go ahead.
okay. Just a minute. I have created a package com.example or something.
Okay, fine. Show me that code.
Com.I did Spring REST.
Okay.
I haven't done. I'm just saying I'll just put it right here.
You can show me the code. You can explain me. Even if it's incorrect, also that's fine. It's all about attempt.
I'll just share you my. Okay, just a minute. STS. I have done that on STS.
Okay, show me that STS thing.
Wait a minute. No, it's. Wait a minute. Okay. So from here, I have imported that I have downloaded from there. I read in Maven, existing Maven projects, and then browsing from the downloads, REST API, and I have done the other one as well. So then selecting the folder, this should be the pom.xml should be important for Maven.
Okay.
And I got it here. So in this, like, I have so many of sub files. So I'm gonna go here. And also I have a question in here, Prasad sir. Like,
Yeah, go ahead.
I was watching a video on YouTube, and it said about the postman
Okay.
that is used to send the request. Oh yeah. And here we have like right clicking on here.
No, let's go one by one.
Sorry.
Good, or at least you seen something.
Sure.
From which side did you taken this code?
No, like I'm just
Oh, good.
I just want to create
Good.
it.
That
I
is
just
very
want to
good.
cut that thing.
This is exactly what you need to do, and all of us need to do. From where did you taken
So
this?
here from YouTube,
Very good.
I don't know his
That's fine. There are thousands and thousands of
name,
people.
like it's class. It was, yeah, but I found him, so he was speaking in Hindi as well, clearing everything out. And we have to update the project as well, so that everything is fine. And just click OK. Okay. Okay, we have to say run as and like Spring Boot app we are using. So it has been scanning. So
You can say remind me later. That's all fine.
yeah. So just a
It's
minute.
actually starting. That's fine. Okay. In this, what is pom.xml, Sabha? pom.xml.
Pom.xml, like when we are doing this in Maven, like build tool. So I just learned that pom.xml is important when you're using the Maven.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah, this is what I have learned
Yeah,
from
that's good. Correct. Good. You just need to spend time. All of you need to spend time. Okay, open that pom.xml.
Okay. So after that,
No, open it. I want to discuss few things. Open it.
what
It's
we
at the
have to
down.
open?
pom.xml.
Okay. In here as well, I have whatever the repositories we have selected from
Okay. In
Spring
this, there is
Initializer.
something called parent, line number 5 to 10. Do you know what it is?
No.
Can you just guess what it is? It could be.
Parent is like something
Okay.
which is everything is under that. This is file. We have sub files like that. So that is the parent file. Then again, under it has a child files like
No,
that.
it's not exactly that way. Do one thing. I will tell you. You just run this code. Is it running?
Yes, it was. Not exactly. I haven't run, but
Okay. Now on the left side, you open the target folder. Left, down. Is there in the middle actually. Source target. Yeah. Open the target. Open the generated sources. Oh, there is nothing. There is nothing generated.
okay. It's not opening.
With respect to Maven, you can do a lot of other things.
It's not opening.
Okay, that's fine. You can read about the parent tag later on. It is very important thing. You can see later on. And
Also,
what is that you see information of dependencies here? You see so many dependencies, right? Starter web,
yeah,
MySQL connector Java. What are these?
web in here. Actually, repositories are something that is used to bring the request.
Okay, go ahead. Then?
Yeah, like controller, which we are using first. Like first thing we use is controller while writing the code. Like when we start, controller need like repositories helps the controller for giving the request. Yeah, getting what the controller needs. In a simple way. Yeah. Like whatever
No, that's
repositories like
fine.
we are
Whatever is said is
making,
fine. That is
yeah,
okay. That is
we
something
need to make in like com.spring, whatever the
in
project we
this
have
entire
created.
pom.xml, We have a place where
Uh-huh.
you're clearly specifying the Java version. Means you're clearly saying, I want the Java version to be something in this pom.xml. Can you tell me where it is?
Yes. Okay.
Can you see that
So
line number
like
17?
here,
Yes.
versions we
Java
can,
version is clearly saying 14.
yeah, 17.
14. Yeah. You can change it to 8,
Yeah.
or you can remove this entire Java version.
Yes.
Not restricting.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. We can change it from like here. I have learned this like from the build path,
Yes.
configuring build path, and then like whatever you want to do it from the GR if you want that we
Yes.
can.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Good. You
The
spent some time. Good. That's very important. Good. Now you can
yeah,
close this. Good. Can you try to explain me your code? I know it's not
like
working. That's fine.
sorry.
At least can you tell me what you are trying to do in
Mhm.
your code?
I'm basically like creating like employer ID,
Okay. Good.
basically from employer ID, and then wait a minute, like uh, yeah, basically I haven't run that code, so it's
That's
quite
fine. No need to
difficult.
run. First, try to understand the concept. Running we can do later. If you don't know the concept, what will you do with by
Yeah,
running?
using IDs like
Hmm.
yeah, we are like we are taking the IDs title like name. We take that and in this case which I have learned this course from, he was creating like he was the courses, he took the courses application there. Like getting the courses or deleting the courses or updating it.
Okay, fine. So now, with respect to your
So
code,
in a
what you said
Mhm.
is fine. Yes, very good. Now, in that example, if you see whatever in the YouTube example you followed, maybe that guy might have created a controller class and a
Yes.
service class and then the
Mm-hmm.
repository class, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're going very good. Just continue on that, spend some time. Even though you
Mm-hmm.
made a baby steps, this is really good because this is exactly you need to do. Not only you, everyone has to do. Just spend some time, whether it is 1 hour, half an hour, doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah.
Spend some time. You will at least think something. See, you are not able to answer all my questions, that's fine. But you at least doing something, you will know more. Okay, take your time, no hurry. I am maybe we can meet again next week. Just continue your work. Try to finish this
Mm-hmm.
REST API. Even if you're not able to execute, fine. We can fix it, we can look, you can debug. But main thing
Okay.
is trying to understand the concepts. So right now you're able to tell some concepts that is really good. Yes, that's a good start. Just go ahead that way and
Mm-hmm.
try to see in that YouTube video what all he has done, like REST
Okay.
controller, service class, repository class. He might have done so many things. It's okay.
Yeah, he took the REST controller.
Yeah.
Yeah, he first the Spring Boot needs to know that what we are doing. So in that case, when we are taking the controllers, so we need to take the annotations as well, so that Spring Boot will know that we are using the controller. So when we are
Yes.
doing the REST API, we need to take the REST controller annotation there.
I think the way you're saying looks like that guy is doing good. Okay, share
Mm-hmm.
that YouTube video link to the entire group in that WhatsApp. Good start.
Okay.
Just keep going. Of
Mm-hmm.
course, whenever you have issues, you can ping me. I usually am very busy. You can ping
Okay.
Sohail, Ashraf, or Ilyas, that guy, Ilyas Bhatia.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
I think Neha and Usna don't know much. Okay, just good start. Keep doing. So what happens is now by doing these things in your interview, you'll talk even better. So instead of doing
Okay.
your interview like a 30% performance, you might do 60 to 70. Never know. Some
Mm-hmm.
guys might get
Yes.
immediately impressed.
Mm-hmm.
See, Neha also, that's how she got. She kept on doing something, suddenly clicked. Maybe it will click for you and Husna. Just keep practicing so you'll think more and more. You don't need to read so many things in a day. That's fine. Just pick something like this, work on it for a few days, just try. Yeah, just
Mm-hmm.
focus your learning on REST API. I think your knowledge will improve more. Just keep doing it. And even if you
Okay.
get a job suddenly, you can do even better in jobs. But yes, it's a lot of hard work.
Mm-hmm. And I want to know about the Postman, what it is exactly. It is used when
It's
we
like
use
this. I
Eclipse
think
IDs
now
or
when
only
you
for
create a
STS.
Spring Boot application, you're creating an API. Means you create an application, you're running an API. Means the specific application with a specific port, you can run an API
Mhm.
from anywhere. What
Okay.
Postman does, for example, what is Google.com? Google.com is actually an API from Google.com itself. Or if
Okay.
you even see Maps, Google Maps, even that is an API. Using Postman, whether your own system or a public system, you can call that API. You can call an API and check the results. For example, you have requests, get requests, post requests, etc. So you call an API.
Okay.
See, instead of writing a program, you're using a tool called Postman. It's internally using a program. So use Postman so that you run all these things like get request, post request. So basically, Postman is just a tool to test your APIs. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing,
Go ahead.
Prasad sir, in this IntelliJ, I haven't used IntelliJ. This
That's
is
fine.
the
Just
first time
go
I'm
with
opening.
Eclipse.
I just need to know how to start a new project. I'm not understanding this.
It's okay, leave it. Don't need to learn so many tools. Leave it. Just go with
Okay.
Eclipse or Spring Full Suite because many people do with Eclipse. Even if you see
Mhm.
that popular guy Ranga Karanam and many of the Udemy videos he has, everything he does with Eclipse, it's fine. Just do with
Okay.
Eclipse or Spring Tool Suite. No need to even go with IntelliJ. If you want, you can learn later on.
Okay.
Just forget, remove it. Not required.
Okay. Okay.
Stick
Sure.
with one or two tools and just learn. That's enough. Just go with Eclipse. That's fine. Or go with whatever works for you. That's fine. Just go with the YouTube videos of what you are learning because don't confuse yourself with the tools. Focus on the concept.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just go ahead and again we'll meet maybe after a few days or whatever, maybe next week, so that you can try to dig more about the REST API. See, you can learn for ages and months, but at least basics you can learn within few weeks. Just focus on basics.
Okay. Yeah.
How to write a controller.
And we are having like a meeting on the next week then?
Yeah, tell me.
We are having a meeting again on the next week
Yeah,
on
same
the same thing, the same task?
on what you and Husna has. I don't want to focus on everyone. Whoever is
Okay.
participating at least, I want to go with based on their bandwidth. So I'm not expecting a full REST API. Try something. That's fine.
Okay.
Try to improve on what you have done. Follow the same YouTube videos. Just do a bit more and again we'll discuss.
Sure. All right. Thank you.
Again, I'll ask you the same question on parent and group ID. You can try to have more knowledge. Even if you don't answer, fine. At least try to think. That's good enough.
Okay.
Fine,
I
sir.
get it.
That's it. I want to keep
All
it
right.
as short as possible. I want you guys to do more so that any questions we can discuss. Just keep practicing. That's it.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.